The restaurant is Muslim, he sells halal meat, yet he is selling liquor. So can I take the fact that he is selling alcohol a sign that the meat is not halal? No. If I ascertain that he is Muslim and he is selling halal, and I know there is no proof that he is, cheating, I still can consider his halal. Remember what we said? If the owner is Muslim, there is no definite sign that he is lying and he's telling you this is halal. So I go to him and then I eat, and yet he is serving alcohol. So he's doing haram by selling alcohol, but that does not stop me from still going and dining in his restaurant. There is one case that the ulama and scholars said that you're not supposed to go there. When by me going to him, I am encouraging his business. So for example, there is one who sells liquor next to one who doesn't sell liquor. By me and other people going to the one who sells liquor, all we're doing, we are promoting his business. We are basically marketing his business. And this is happening with a cost, with a price. And the price, we are weakening the other guy. If that's the case, no. Here you need to back off and you need to say, you know what? I cannot encourage further sinning. But if my attendance, my going to this restaurant or that restaurant is not going to make any difference. If I don't go, someone else will go. So his sale will not be affected at all by me going or not going. That's the case, we assume. Then in this case, it's not haram for me to go to a restaurant that sells halal meat, yet it sells liquor. It's not halal. As long as I am buying the halal meat and I'm not sitting on a table where alcohol is being served.